Gandikota, a land sculpted by nature and shaped by history. As the sun rises over the Pennar River, flowing through the Erramala hills, the world holds its breath as the beauty of the natural gorge emerges and enthralls. A gorge proudly known as the Grand Canyon of India and located in Kadapa District of Andhra Pradesh in South India. The steep red sandstone cliffs leave one mesmerized as they reveal millions of years of Earth's history and invite travelers, investors, historians and storytellers alike to immerse themselves in its splendorous geography. Standing proud, fearless and unconquered, the Gandikota fort was first built by the Kakatiyas in the 12th century and later ruled over by the Pemmasani Nayaks, feudatories of the Vijayanagara dynasty. The fort flourished during the reign of Krishnadevaraya, the powerful Vijayanagara emperor. In the 17th century, it became a stronghold of the Qutub Shahi dynasty of Golconda. The Madhavaraya Temple is the most architecturally rich monument within the Gandikota fort complex and is dedicated to Lord Madhava, a form of Krishna. The granite walls of the temple and the intricately carved pillars tell their own stories and capture the life and culture of the lost kingdom in its display of art. The Ranganatha Swamy Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu in his reclining form, known as Ranganatha, is adorned with pillars, hallways and corridors. Carved from red granite, the temple showcases the distinctive architectural style of Vijayanagara temple. The striking Jama Masjid is yet another attraction within the Gandikota fort complex and the newest major structure. Today's Gandikota is a convergence of the legendary past and the modern day present. Remnants of centuries-old construction and design stand shoulder to shoulder with examples of modern architecture and engineering to offer a landscape that's rich and diverse in contrast. From the mighty Gandikota Dam to the sweeping windmills, the adrenaline-pumping adventure sports to the rich flavors of local cuisine, Gandikota is a symphony of nature, heritage and thrill. Come, explore Gandikota, a hidden treasure where nature's grandeur meets the echoes of a glorious past.